picky whitetails, but they're probably not some guys out there, whitetails. Grey something whitetails. It's all on the sign around here. Beautiful. Sun's on better yet. No. More bread. Let's get those ones in. Don't make fast when I see bread. Just walk around one. Oh, I have to fight the whitetails. First, you got nice. What's wrong with that bit of brown bread? Enough of you people feeding you? Yeah. Alright mate, you know me. You go. Beautiful, aren't you? You're beautiful. Yes you are. You're in the water. Miss twice. Yeah, now they come. See your babies in the background, beautiful too. Big and grown now, aren't they? Good kids. Oh, look, there's one little black one more in the tree. Try and get red before the other ones nick it. It's difficult to get this one because the other one moves quicker and it's tiny. Here comes one big cygnet. Here comes one of your children behind you. I think have it. Oh, straight on the bunts. There you go, that's it. Oh, it's meant to your parent. Yeah, you got one. And I think he's got black ones. 3 bits of bread and here's 4 black. Oh, wait till I got that one. The second cygnet. I'm going for a first cygnet. There you go now. And the third cygnet. See if we can get this one fed. Alright, should be went into it. That one. Those tails are great. And a bit of bread for now. Some more. No. I'm not sure I've got any more, mate. I might have one in a bit. Yeah, we'll wait for a bit. These little whitetails behind me. Oh, that one got scared by this one. Leave it alone. Oh, your bread.